Yeah! Woo! That's what I'm talking about, boy. Yeah, now. Woo! Oh, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oh, boy. Okay, that was the redneck wave. T.T. Waters, the blues singer. Come on now. Woo! Woo! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on, we can still stay in this. Yes, we can. Come on, come on, come on. Slippy, slippy, slippy. Oh, that sucked. That did suck. Uh-oh. Shorts are coming off. These are older shorts from fatter times. Oh, oh. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it in that one.
You see Dad get that closer?
Yeah, maybe, maybe. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right already. Woo. Well. Ooh. All right. And so now, try to go back left, like that. Just a little bit. Whoa. There we go, there we go, there we go. Ooh. Is that all you've got, golf?
Hey, bring it on. I want to see what you got.
I thought I was in an ocean. I didn't realize I was in a pond. This isn't a pond, this is a hot tub. This is a hot tub. You call this a wave? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, I do call it. It's a fun little wave. Ooh, yes it is, okay. Okay, maybe the Gulf has something here. Oh, pull in, pull in, pull in. Woo! Ew! That ending was a little weird, but it was still fun. Okay, okay, Golf, I was just joking. I'm just joking, Golf. You my dog. That's all we have to do is pick on the ocean. Just razz it a little bit. A little public punking. Guess one's not playing. You're a good kid, you're a real good kid. You know what I'm talking about there? Whoa, whoa. You! All right, player. Oh, we're gonna get a double? We're gonna get a double? Player! Oh yeah, yeah we are, yeah we are. Woo! All right. Oh, we're gonna get more action? More action, Jackson? Oh, we're gonna get to the bottom of this here. I don't know how. Got a few thunderstorms offshore there. They may roll in later. Give us a little natural TT. I'm seeing a magnificent anvil cloud. Giant cumulonimbus with an anvil sticking off of it. I'm born to sweep. I'm born to sweep. I'm born to sweep. Okay. I'm born to sweep. I'm born to sweep. I'm born to sweep. Yeah. Give it to me. Yeah. Well, never mind. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Probably not. I'm gonna get into it anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ew! Save the mic. It's one of those days where you can literally save the microphone. Phew, there goes Ken. enough. Whew! I'm gonna at least need to dunk. I'm gonna do a baptizing. Thinking baptize myself would I? No, I can't. Just do this. That's good enough. Born to sweep. I should have taken that one. We're gonna get into this next one. Maybe not. Try it out. Whoa, Jeans. There you go, Jeans. Keep it high and tight. Whoa. Oh, that sucked. That was so low and loose. Maybe we'll get another chance. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Touch my camera through the fence, you. Come on. I'm a sweeper. I'm getting on and I'm waiting. Come on, yeah. Come on. Give it to me. Put that wave upside my head now. Come on. I'll slap me in the face with one of these. I'll slabberoons, yeah. Come on. Let's get into it. They died on us here. Why are they dying on us here? What about this one? What about this one, huh? Come on. Let's get into it. Get me on down the face. Yeah. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Boy. Yeah, now. Woo! Oh, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oh, boy. Okay, that was the redneck wave. Come on. Let's get into it. Get me on down the face. There's no face left. I'm just milking nothing now. Poo poo, caca, chichi, pee pee. Not much of a wave. Yeah. We won't take that to the inside. Yeah, they're definitely starting to suck. Not one, but two balls. 100%.